Write the running notes also, Nana, all of you. Very important, both IP purpose and objective purpose. Okay. Now I discuss LCR circuit. Okay, Nana. Look here, Nana. In the LCR circuit, Nana, to see here, the chapter name alternating currents. This is the symbol of AC source. This is the symbol of AC source. Okay, here. This AC source is connected. L is nothing but the inductor, nothing but the solenoid, nothing but the coil. C is nothing but the capacitor of capacitance. R is nothing but the resistance of the resistor. All are connected in series as shown in the figure. Once again repeat. Here AC source is connected to the inductor, capacitor, resistor. All are connected in series to the AC source. Okay. This is the question. Here Nana, look here Nana. Input EMF. Look here Nana. Input EMF. Nana, this is called input. Input Nana. According to AC generator, EMF formula is E0 sin omega t. What is the input EMF Nana? E equal to E0 sin omega t. Once again I repeat, E equal to E0 sin omega t. Here E indicate EMF after t seconds. E0 is called maximum EMF. E0 is called maximum EMF. Look here. What is the input EMF Nana? E equal to E0 sin omega t. Okay? Look here. Now we know that. Look here. Here inductor, capacitor, resistor all are connected in series. Look here Nana. Here Nana, the phase diagram we know that. Look here. On the x-axis current is there. EMF is connected through R. This is EMF connected through L, inductor. This is EMF connected to capacitor. This is called phase diagram or organd diagram of the alternating currents. Okay? But what is the input EMF? Look here Nana. What is the input EMF? We know that input EMF formula now is given E equal to E0 sin omega t, equation number 1. Here the question is given EL greater than EC. What is the condition? EL greater than EC. Simply EMF through inductor is more compared to capacitor. Look here now. In the x-axis, look here now. On the x-axis, this is current Nana. This is EMF through resistor. Okay? This is I and ER Nana. Here EL greater than EC means EL is more compared to EC. Simply net depends upon the large. Look here Nana. Simply this is EL minus EC. Okay? Once again I repeat, EL is more compared to EC. Simply EL minus EC. Net direction depends upon the large according to condition. Okay? We know that, look here. This is the P Nana. This is the Q. Okay? Here two vectors are there. According to parallelogram, resultant always between the two vectors. Look here, Nana, all of you. This is ER. Look here, Nana, ER. This is EL minus EC. Okay, this is the direction of current. Okay, resultant always act between the components. This is called E net. This is resultant. Okay, resultant between P and Q. Okay, this is the net EMF. Okay, Nana. Here, this is the angle between current and voltage. Generally, current and voltage angle is phi. Here, what is the phi? Angle between current and voltage. Okay. According to this diagram, which is ahead? EMF is ahead compared to current. Simply, current is lag. What angle? Phi. That's why this equation 1, according to equation 1, I equal to I naught sin omega t minus phi. Here, why here write minus phi? Because here EMF is ahead compared to current. That's why current is lag. What angle lag? Phi. This is the equation number 2. Okay. Look here. This is called E net according to above diagram. Look here. This is called ER. Look here. This is called in the physics parallel is same. This is called EL minus EC. Okay, look here. This is called right angle triangle. Which theorem is applicable? Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Look here now. EL minus EC whole square. Here square write as under root. Equation number 3. Look here. What is the formula for E net in the LCR circuit? Very important, Nana. Under root ER square plus EL minus EC whole square. Okay. Next, Nana. Look triangle, Nana. Look here, same triangle I write. This is E net, Nana. E net. E net means Ohm's law. V equal to IR. Total resistance in the circuit is called Z. Total resistance in the circuit is called Z. Z is called impedance. This is ER. Ohm's law. IR. Simply R. EL minus EC. Simply XL minus XC. This is called impedance triangle in the LCR circuit. Once again I repeat, this is called impedance triangle in the LCR circuit. What is this angle here? This angle phi. Simply this is also phi. Okay? This is also phi. Look here. Phi, voltage and current. Here phi. Here, Nana, what is the right angle triangle? In the right angle triangle, which theorem applicable? Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. This is the total impedance in the LCR circuit. The condition is EL greater than EC. Okay? This is the equation number 4. Okay? Next now. Nana, already we know that cos phi. In the AC circuit, cos phi is called power factor. Look here, power factor. According to diagram, what is the power factor formula? Power factor formula cos phi. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Simply R by Z. R by Z. Sometimes to ask the tan phi. What is the tan phi? Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Simply XL minus XC by capital R. Equation number 5. Equation number 6. These all are applicable for EL greater than EC. Here, the condition is EC greater than EL. This is the next condition, Nana. This is the second condition. What is the phase diagram? This is I. This is ER. Okay? This is EL. E through inductor. This is E through capacitor. According to condition, EC is more. Simply, net depends upon the EC. That means EC is more. Net depends upon the EC. Look here. I. Look here. ER. Here, Nana. Look here. Look here, Nana. EL. This is EC. Here which will be more? EC will be more. Simply EC minus EL. EC minus EL, because net direction depends upon the larger. EC is larger, that's why this is the direction. What is the input EMF formula? E equal to E naught sin omega t. Equation number 1. According to condition, here this is called P, this is called Q. Resultant always between the P and Q. This is called E net. All of you student, this is called E net. Okay? Resultant always between the P and Q. Okay, Nana? Look here, Nana. Look here. This is called E net, Nana. Okay? Here, look here now. Here, angle between I and a current and total voltage is always denoted by phi. Here, phi is nothing but the angle between. Phi is nothing but the angle between current and voltage. Okay, Nana? Here, which is ahead according to diagram? Current is ahead. Current is ahead compared to EMF. That's why here write current equation. I equal to I naught sin omega t plus phi. Here phi is ahead compared to EMF. Simply EMF is ahead. Current is ahead compared to EMF. Angle always measured anti-clockwise direction. Okay na? Idi ahead undi. Enta ahead undi? Phi. Kabatti sin omega t ki enta add cheyali? Phi. Completed. Same diagram I take. Look here. This is ER. Look here, Nana. Okay? This is, look here, EL. EC minus EL. Look here. Parallel same. This is called, what is called? E net. This is the angle phi. Look here. In the situation, this is the right angle triangle. Which theorem applicable? Pythagoras theorem applicable. In the situation, E net equal to, look here, Nana, under root, look here, Nana, ER square plus, look here, Nana, AC minus EL whole square. Equation number 3. According to which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Next one. Look here now. Next one. This is the ER. Simply this is called R. Here now. This is E net. Total resistance in the circuit is called impedance. Here EC minus EL. Simply XC minus XL. Here this angle is phi. Here also cos phi is called power factor. Cos phi is called power factor. What is the cos phi formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Simply cos phi equal to R by Z. Same diagram. What is the tan phi? Sometimes ask the tan. What is the cos phi called? Power factor. Tan phi. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side XC minus XL by R. Equation number 5. Okay. These equations remembering always now. Okay.